Tomorrow is the final day of our 30-day journey. But before we finish, there is one last crucial step in securing your foundation. You see, a light isn't meant to be hidden under a basket. It's meant to be put on a stand so it can light up the entire room. Your story, your testimony of how God's Word opened your eyes over these last 29 days, is one of the most powerful weapons of faith you possess. Welcome to Day 29 of Faith Foundations. Today, we are learning how to take our listening ear, look back at what we've seen, and turn it into a testimony that can light the path for someone else. In the book of Revelation, chapter 12, verse 11, the Bible tells us a profound secret about how believers overcome the darkness of this world. It says, "And they have conquered him by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony." Notice that your testimony isn't just a casual story. It is a spiritual force that conquers darkness. When Romans 10:17 tells us that faith comes by hearing, we have to ask ourselves, who is going to speak so that the next generation can hear? The answer is you. Your testimony is simply the honest record of how the word of Christ met you in your confusion, acted as a lamp to your feet, and gave you clear sight. You don't need a theological degree to share your story. You just need to say, "I was in the dark, I listened to his voice, and this is how he lit my path." When you share your story, you make the gospel real to a world that desperately needs to hear it. Your Day 29 challenge is the light release. Do not keep what God did this month to yourself. Today, I want you to practice sharing your testimony using a simple 3-part framework. 1. Before. Before this 30-day challenge, my faith or life felt like... fill in the blank here. 2. The Word. But then I heard the truth of... insert your favorite verse from the series here. 3. The Light. And now I see my path clearly because... fill in the blank here. Write those 3 quick sentences out and post them right now in the comments section of this video. Let your story be the sound that sparks faith in another viewer scrolling through the comments today. When you share the light, it never decreases yours. It just makes the world a whole lot brighter. Thank you for being brave enough to share your story on Day 29. Tomorrow is our grand finale, Day 30, where we celebrate our graduation and lay out the exact strategy to keep this momentum going for the rest of your life. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. Share your light today, and I will see you tomorrow for our final day.